Good morning everyone, welcome to the Gold Coast. Yes, I know I have been a bit slack doing videos.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Oh, we are all looking for adventure. 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 We are all looking for adventure.
I know, but that's primarily because I've been stuck here on the Gold Coast. Can't really do much, just move around and it would just be videos of the same old stuff. By the way, haven't got my normal microphone, I've got my headset in today, so we'll just have to put up with that. Now, here's a quick look at the Gold Coast. Now I'm just at the Broadwater in Southport, which is still a very nice spot. So over that direction is Surf, that's Marina Mirage, and then heading south down towards the Nerang River and Surfers Paradise, you can see there in the background. This is the Broadwater Parklands, which is quite a nice little area actually. It's a beautiful little spot. Anyway, there we go. Okay, so what have I been up to over the last couple of weeks? Okay, so I've been working on some e-commerce projects, and the first one, the big one, is I've become the Australian distributor for a brand of alcohol-free spirits that I'm going to bring in from the UK. It's just about to hit the ship. It's going to be about 6 weeks away, and going to try and get that into pretty much every bottle shop, restaurant and cafe in Australia. So huge job. Now, I haven't just been sitting on my bony butt for the last 3 weeks doing nothing. So about 2-3 weeks ago we were allowed to travel up to, well, 3 weeks ago it was 50 k's, and that week I went up to Springbrook National Park, the natural arch or natural bridge, however you want to call it. That's out in the national park there, and that's a nice little waterfalls, quite a few waterfalls out there, as you'll see. And so this is some shots and some video from Natural Bridge. Nice little place, only a short walk, maybe a couple of k's.
Give me a sign, something that shines. Take me out of space and time. It's more than a dream. Now I'm the wind. Feel it around me. Now I'm in. So many years, tons of fear. No wonder.
The second project that you may be aware of, I posted a few posts on the Facebook page, which is called Burst of Magic, and that is providing customers with products that are basically made locally, not just products but also experiences. So obviously tourism has taken a big hit during the coronavirus. So these are small touristy type experiences, all Australian based, on this website. I am hoping to try and make it global within the next few months. Now the second one that I did about 2 weeks ago, they increased the travel limit to 150 k's, And then I went back up to Springbrook National Park, but this time right on the top of the range, right up in the little township of Springbrook, and did the Twin Falls walk. Now this is probably a couple of hours walk. Really nice waterfall. You can walk underneath it. There was not that many people there, which was great, so it was nice and quiet. We'd had a bit of rain just before, so there was a fair bit of water in it, which was nice. And that was Twin Falls. Again, right up on the range, Springbrook National Park, just not far from the township of Springbrook.
Now I'm the wind, feel it around me, now I'm in. So many years, tons of fear. No wonder I trembled and laid on my knees. I tried to survive, now I'm alive. Oh, I can feel the sun in my eyes. Yes, I'm weightless. Yes, I'm weightless. Come on outside, let us dance with the stars. It looks very far, but it's here in my heart. Come on, don't leave me, we're not very far. Hold on to me. Give us a sign, something that shines. Take us out of space and time. We more than a dream. We are the wind. Feel it around us. Now we're in. Yes, I'm weightless. Above my pain. Yes, I'm weightless. I can love you again. I'll be in your dream, sing through the wind, feel it around you, come on in.
And then the third project I'm working on, this is still in the very early stages, is a luxury watch brand, and I've teamed up with an Australian watchmaker, and we're going to start making some luxury watches. The parts are obviously, they don't necessarily make the parts in Australia. However, we're looking at either Japanese and or Swiss movements. So they're all going to be quality tested, great products, great looking watches. And if anyone that does know me know that I love my watches, which is one of my indiscretions, if you like. Watches and shirts, and maybe shoes. So that's it. Now, onto the van. Just here on the Gold Coast, obviously our restrictions are lifting now. It's a bit chilly here, so the plan is within the next couple of weeks to head north up to far north Queensland, so kind of Mission Beach sort of area just north of Cairns, up to some warmth, and before I do that, I've got a couple of things that I need to work on the van. So going to get those done and head north in a few weeks. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
Hello world, wake me up to another good